Yeah, we had him out here yesterday. Well, I'm glad you're walking with me. Do you have any interest in the... Are you afraid of the puppy?
Give me a haul while
Yeah,
you
that would
film?
be fine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, or if you film or... Now, I don't know if that's a scared pee or if he just had to pee. Well, I guess when you gotta go, you gotta go. Okay. You want to see if you want to have anything to do with the puppy? Here, puppy! Oh, is it your turn to go potties now?
Oh! You scared, baby?
He's scared of it, yeah. He doesn't want to have anything to do with it. But, you know, there's no aggression, which is good. He's just avoiding it. Come here, puppy! Hi! 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 He has no aggression. He just doesn't care. Okay.
All right, kangaroo.
All right. That was great. Thank you.